Communication in projects like TEAMING.AI can be very challenging because projects like that are very involved with high technology and contain specialized terminology, which is mostly used in the scientific and technological community, and it can be very challenging for the rest of the people to understand. So you have to be able to turn something so specific that very few people understand into something very simple that can be understood by the wider public. I believe that when all partners have good collaboration between them and have a common goal, then it gets less challenging to communicate what is happening within the project to the outer world. And so far, TEAMING.AI has had an excellent communication internally, and this makes our work, of course, easier to communicate the project to the outer world as well. And especially now that the project has started producing its first results, we have even more information to share to the public.